Taking a look at Bitcoin, it's getting closer and closer to 50,000 right now, just trading right around just below 48,000. We were above 48,000 just a few minutes ago. We want to bring in Yahoo Finance's Dan Roberts, who, of course, tracks every move of everything crypto here for us. And Dan, we have some news here today in the crypto space. Bank of New York Mellon announcing plans to hold Bitcoin and other crypto assets on behalf of clients. But just big picture, what does this mean for crypto and just bringing it more mainstream?
Well, it's the latest big name, you guys. In fact, just yesterday, I wrote a story on the site about the handful now of publicly traded companies that have spurred crypto adoption in some way or another. We knew about PayPal and Square. That happened at the end of 2020 and really accelerated this Bitcoin bull run. Then, of course, last week we saw Tesla, which bought $1.5 billion in Bitcoin last month. But in that story, I said more of their peers are going to come next. I mean, this is kind of a network effect. And now you wake up this morning, and today you've got BNY Mellon, as you mentioned, Shauna, and also MasterCard announcing today that it has plans to fully support cryptocurrencies for its clients and for its customers. So two more big names today. We know that MicroStrategy, which is also publicly traded and is a cloud services company, has bought up a ton of Bitcoin in the last couple of years. MicroStrategy holds more Bitcoin than Tesla does. But all of these names are adding up. Visa has given its sign-off to a number of Visa-branded Bitcoin debit cards. I think it's anyone's guess as to who is next. You know, yesterday, the CFO of Twitter went on CNBC and said that Twitter is considering buying Bitcoin for its balance sheet. So it's anyone's guess, and the companies keep multiplying here. And of course, it's a rising tide lifts all boats effect.
Okay, but real quick, Sheila Bair, she actually said, don't buy Bitcoin. It's at nosebleed levels. And this is getting in the way of its usefulness. She's not opposed to it, but what do you think of what she said?
Well, it's anyone's guess, right? And you guys know my favorite caveat to give is to not listen to anyone who says with any certainty that they know what's going to happen next with the price. Of course, this could be the peak, and maybe in months we'll be looking back and say that, you know, fools rush in, or this could just be the beginning and it could be about to take off again and take a leg higher. I mean, it has more than doubled in a matter of weeks. So maybe she'll prove right, maybe she'll prove very wrong. But to her point, we should separate out the idea of the Bitcoin price right now and companies buying Bitcoin for their balance sheets with companies that are saying that they are going to allow their customers to pay in crypto, which is something that PayPal is going to launch soon and something that Tesla also says it wants to do. Those are two different steps. Some companies are taking both steps. Some are merely buying Bitcoin as an investment.
All right, Dan Roberts, thanks as always for hopping on here and joining us.